She went to have bunion surgery. Who knew that 9 months later she'd be dead because of what the doctor failed to diagnose? You want to learn what this is about? Come join me as I share with you this great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial lawyer practicing law in the state of New York. Today I'm coming to you from Baltimore, Maryland at the American Association of Justice seminar, and I have a few minutes to share this great information with you. She went in to have a bunion corrected, and now everything went fine. But there was a problem. She developed a wound infection, and she kept going back to a doctor over and over and over again. Every single month she kept going back. And you know what the doctor did? He gave her topical ointments. He gave her a brief antibiotic. But every time she came back, that problem still persisted. In fact, not only did it persist, it got worse and worse. So what should the doctor have done? What the doctor should have done is he should have put her on a different series of antibiotics. He should have taken a culture of what was growing out of that wound. He should have sent her off to an infectious disease specialist. Instead, this podiatrist did nothing whatsoever. All he did was take a look at it, give her some topical ointment, change her antibiotics one time, and told her, don't worry about it, just soak your foot, you'll be fine. 9 months later, she was dead. You want to know why? The autopsy report showed that she died of a condition known as osteomyelitis. Now, what is that? It's a significant and serious infection that went deep down into the bone, that had spread throughout her entire body. And how did that happen? It happened because the doctor failed to timely recognize what was going on and failed to timely treat that condition. Now, if he had recognized this or been smart enough to say, hey, you know what, this is beyond my realm of expertise, I'm going to send you off to the next doctor, or even if he said, go to the emergency room, they would have had enough sense to know how to treat this condition. They would have taken an x-ray, and they would have seen, after so many months, that this condition was deep within the bone, and now they would have had to do surgery to debride the wound, to clean out the wound, give her IV antibiotics to go ahead and try and eradicate this very deep infection. Instead, here's a woman who went in for something so simple as a bunion surgery. 9 months later, she was dead because her bunion doctor failed to timely recognize this significant wound infection. So why do I share this great information with you? I share it with you just to give you one instance of where a doctor failed to diagnose and failed to treat, and he violated the basic standards of medical care. You know, I realize you're watching this because you probably have questions of your own regarding a failure to diagnose matter. Well, if your matter happened in New York and you do have legal questions, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. This is something I do every single day, and I'd love to talk to you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's quick video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a great day.